Welcome to another episode of Funky Car Finds. And next up is a 1991 Daihatsu Mira walkthrough van for $10,500. Here's some more info if you want to check it out yourself. Yeah, so it's basically a JDM car, and if you don't know what that stands for, Japan Domestic Market, it just means that it's only been sold in Japan and nowhere else. And I guess that's why they're pretty popular. I just don't know what you would do with this. You know, it's cool and all, has a cool paint job, but would you like deliver food for your family? Water, bottles, I don't know, packages for Amazon? Or maybe you could van life this, but then you would have to be a pretty small person or sleep in the driver's seat. And next up is not a 1966 Chevy, but it does cost $5,555 specifically, and it says, "Make me a offer, I'm open-minded." So first up, this photo, or these photos were taken with a potato, so I don't really know what I'm looking at, but it looks like some type of European car, Italian, British maybe, swapped onto like an ATV chassis, seems like. But yeah, looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? And here we have a 1975 Oldsmobile for $44,500, and here's some more info if you want to check it out yourself. Yeah, this is a really good looking car, and you can tell that whoever put this together really put it together carefully and, you know, took their time patiently, working on this thing. And I think the only thing that maybe is a little bit unnecessary are the wheels, because I don't think they have to be that big, but I think it works. I think it looks kind of cool. You know, it looks a little bit like a horse and buggy type vibe, but it's cool. And next up is this 1987 custom Ford Ranger for $6,500, and here's some more information if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, it's basically a rock roller, runs on propane according to the owner, and just looks like a fun time, man. What can I say? I love it. I think the price is great too, and it sounds good too, man. Listen to this. So this is a 1947 International KB5 truck rat rod for $37,000. Here's some more info if you want to check it out yourself. Now this is a rat rod. In my opinion, it's not too pretty and it's not too ugly. It's just right. It's just right in between there. Because a rat rod is not supposed to be a hot rod. It's not supposed to be super shiny, super chromy and what have you. It's supposed to be great patina, some rust, but still a good looking car, you know, and a piece of art. And it sounds good too. Next up is a 1995 Chevy Impala for $9,000. Here's some more information for you if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, this is one of those, you know, I spent so much on parts type deals. And he kind of regrets it. He kind of wants it back. He kind of wants you to pay for all the parts. You know, it's a 6-speed. Come on, bro. I mean, that's $9,000 right there. And next up, we have this unique Volvo 240. That's a coupe for $7,300. And here's some more info if you want to check it out yourself. So, being that I am originally from Sweden, I just figured I have to have this model on here because this is a classic. This is like peak Swedish engineering, you know. And I know that the 240 model was pretty popular in the US as well. But I never saw a lot of these versions, which is the coupe version. And I mean, just look at this. This is mint condition. No rust anywhere. This person has probably just kept it in his garage his whole life. And yeah, for $7,300, I think it's a bargain. Next up is a 2015 Smart for $7,500. And here's some more information if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, I'm not sure what to make of this. Like, did they, like, I don't know, what am I paying $7,500 for? It's just like a Smart with big wheels and a light bar. Oh, but it comes with a shopping cart. Oh, okay, then it makes sense. And next up is this 1974 City Car for $1,500, and here's some more info if you want to check it out yourself. Now, before everybody and their grandma made an electric vehicle, there was this company called City Car that was, believe it or not, one of the biggest EV manufacturers in America and in American history, actually. And it made between 3.5 to 6 horsepower and had a top speed of about 38 miles an hour or 64 kilometers an hour. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. And next up is this 2025 Shelby Cobra style golf cart for $8,500. And here's some more details if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, this is definitely a cool build. You can tell that the guy who built this obviously put a lot of hours into this and knows what he's doing. I mean, just look at the detail on this thing. I mean, this looks like a Shelby Cobra, but it's a golf cart. So yeah, I don't know if it's worth 8,500, but for sure, like 5, maybe 6. I mean, look at it. It's cool. And next up is a custom 2020 gas-powered club car for $5,000. And here's some more info if you want to check it out yourself. If the Cybertruck and a Hummer had a baby, it would look like this. It's cool. I mean, I've never seen something like this. It's really unique. It's really looks like it's well put together. Has solar panels, so you basically just have to fill it with gas here and there. But probably the gas mileage in this thing is terrific. So in this economy, I don't know what more you want. And next up is a 1993 Cadillac for $22,000. And here's some information if you want to read for yourself. But yeah, basically it's a lot of blue and a lot of chrome. A lot of wheels. And wheels, basically, for $22,000. I don't know, it's cool, but $22,000, dog, come on, I don't know. And here's a trackless train for you for $3,000. And here's some more info if you want to check it out yourself. Choo choo! Yeah, I mean, I've never seen somebody build a train out of a couple of barrels and a lawnmower before, but it's cool, man. It's a fun thing probably for your kids, you know, if you're doing some barbecue, you have the neighbors over or what have you. But the guy wants to trade this for 07 or up SUV or pickup. I don't know, man. And here's a 1988 club car hot rod golf cart for $1,500. Here's some more details if you want to read for yourself. I mean, I don't want to be a hater because obviously the guy has been creative and put some work into it, like, I don't know, an afternoon. But how the hell am I gonna get into this thing? That's all I want to know. And here's a 1968 Battle Bug for $25,000. And here's some more information if you want to check it out yourself. Yeah, man, it's awesome. And you know, we do live in crazy times right now, folks. So it's like you want to make sure you have an escape plan if things get rough. And I think this might be the answer. And here's another rat rod for you, a 2006 Mustang for $2,500. And here's some more details if you want to read for yourself. This is a piece of art right here. I mean, look at this. You could be driving around, towing shit, just driving around town getting groceries, you know. Look at that engine. Ah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it, love it. Yeah, rust in peace, baby. Yeah, I mean, look at that detail. Look at that craftsmanship, you know. Too bad. The only thing that's the problem here, the engine's locked up. That's the only problem. And here's some 1931 Chevy Independence Custom RV for $5,500. Here's some more info if you want to read it for yourself. So now, this is obviously not going to be for everybody, all right? But consider this. We're living in a time where old school is coming into fashion again, all right? So think about it like this. You got an old-fashioned, good, reliable chassis, you know, a 1931 Chevy, you know, no holes underneath. It's just perfect. Just a little bit rusty on top, you know, a little bit crusty, but, you know, then you have this beautiful, organic cabin on the back. For your van life adventures, what more could you want? And last but not least, we got this custom-built, Peterbilt Platoon Playboy boat for $65,000. And here's some more information. And dog, this is Pirates of the Bayou. This is Captain Jack Sparrow marrying his own cousin and just building boats all day long. And he's just going out to conquer foreign lands. Yeah! Americana, baby! Yeehaw! Let's go! If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.